we will guide you through how to rename Confluence space. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your browser on your computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection before proceeding to the next step. Go to 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘.com/software/confluence and wait for the homepage to load completely before continuing. Click Sign In to open the Atlassian sign-in page, where you will be prompted to enter your account credentials. On the Atlassian sign-in page, enter your email address carefully in the email field, making sure it is entered correctly before proceeding. Click Continue to proceed to the password page, where you will be asked to enter your account password. Enter your password carefully in the password field, ensuring that it is entered correctly before continuing. Click Login to access your Atlassian account, and wait for your account and Confluence workspace to finish loading completely before continuing. Click the App Switcher icon next to your profile picture to display the available Atlassian applications connected to your account. Select Confluence to access your Confluence workspace. Open the space that you want to use, making sure you have selected the correct space before proceeding. Click the three-dot menu next to the space name to open the available space management options. Select Space Settings to open the configuration page for the selected space, where you can configure and manage the available settings for that space. Click Space Details to view the information and settings associated with the selected space, where you can manage the space name and other available details. Click the Name field and enter a new name for the space according to your needs, making sure the new name clearly identifies the purpose of the space before continuing. Click Save to apply the changes and wait for the update process to finish completely. You have now successfully renamed a Confluence space,